Many people striving to enhance their overall health frequently neglect the importance of maintaining a healthy nervous system, the significance of keeping our nerves and neurons in optimal condition is often overlooked. However, a straightforward and effective approach to support this vital aspect of our well-being is by ensuring that our bodies receive the essential vitamins and nutrients they require. In this video, we will dissect key components essential for the well-being of your nervous system. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, as there's one element that many might not be aware of. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. To begin with the benefits of fish oil. Abundant in anti-inflammatory properties. Fish oil proves excellent for repairing damaged nerves and addressing neuropathy. It has demonstrated efficacy in alleviating muscle pain and soreness. Fish oil is accessible in supplement form, and a generally safe daily intake is around 1,000 milligrams. However, it's advisable to consult your doctor for personalized dosage recommendations. One of the highly advantageous components present in fish oil happens to be omega-3, the next focus on our list. Omega-3 is a fatty acid naturally occurring in specific foods or supplements like fish oil. Given that our bodies don't produce omega-3 self-independently, obtaining them through our diet becomes essential. While renowned for reducing the risk of heart disease and other conditions, many are unaware of their potential benefits for the nervous system. Research indicates that omega-3 fatty acids play a role in repairing nerve damage following an injury. Moreover, for individuals with diabetic neuropathy, increasing omega-3 intake has shown promise in addressing nerve damage, as seen in studies involving people with type 1 diabetes and eye-related complications. To boost your omega-3 intake, as discussed, consider taking a fish oil supplement or incorporating more fish into your diet. If fish isn't your preference, alternative sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts also offer significant amounts of omega-3. The subsequent vitamin we must address is vitamin D. While widely recognized for its crucial roles in promoting calcium absorption and mineralization for robust bones, vitamin D also exerts influence on the nervous system, a fact not commonly acknowledged. Studies indicate that a deficiency in vitamin D can elevate the risk of neurological diseases such as schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Moreover, research has demonstrated that individuals experiencing symptoms of multiple sclerosis may exhibit less severe manifestations when their bodies are supplied with adequate levels of vitamin D. Your body can obtain vitamin D directly from sunlight, or you can incorporate it into your diet by consuming foods such as salmon, tuna, milk, eggs, and mushrooms. Speaking of calcium, it happens to be the next focus on our list. While calcium is typically associated with promoting strong, healthy bones, its role in supporting the nervous system is often overlooked. Calcium actively participates in the formation of brain cells and the creation of communication pathways to other parts of the body. This is crucial because calcium aids in the repair and regeneration of damaged nerve cells. Generally, calcium is present in dairy products, but some alternatives that offer healthier options include dark green vegetables, chia seeds, lentils, and almonds. Next on our list is magnesium. According to one study, individuals with high levels of magnesium in their diet were less likely to experience the adverse effects associated with neuropathy, although further research and testing are necessary in this domain. The initial findings appear promising. Some nutritious foods rich in magnesium include nuts, avocados, spinach, whole grains, and, a personal favorite of mine, dark chocolate. The subsequent vitamin that can positively impact the nervous system is vitamin B12. Widely recognized as an energy booster, vitamin B12 also provides advantages for nerve health by supporting the creation of DNA, ensuring the well-being of nerve cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve problems, such as numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. Signs of vitamin B12 deficiency encompass fatigue, numbness, difficulty walking, and tingling in the hands, feet, or legs. Fortunately, numerous everyday foods are naturally rich in vitamin B12, including meat, fish, milk, cheese, and eggs. Another vital B vitamin to highlight is vitamin B6. This crucial vitamin, obtained externally, plays a significant role in the nervous system by aiding in the formation of neurotransmitters, substances originating from nerve cells, that facilitate essential communication throughout the body. Vitamin B6 is also involved in the creation of myelin, the protective covering over nerve cells, emphasizing the necessity of sufficient intake for healthy nerve function. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include chickpeas, bananas, breakfast cereal, salmon, chicken, and rice, among numerous others. Next on our list is acetyl L-carnitine, a substance known for aiding in energy production within the body. However, its potential benefits for neuropathy might surprise many. Research indicates that acetyl L-carnitine has been effective in alleviating pain for individuals with diabetic neuropathy and carpal tunnel syndrome. While it is naturally produced in the body, it can also be obtained through dietary sources such as cod, chicken, beef, whole wheat bread, and asparagus. And, of course, our video wouldn't be complete without highlighting curcumin, this primary active compound found in turmeric, a spice from the ginger family renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, also appears to provide significant benefits for the nervous system. Research indicates that various components of curcumin contribute to the protection of the nervous system, showing potential usefulness for individuals with diabetic neuropathy, while further research is required in this field. The initial findings are indeed promising. Continuing our list is alpha-lipoic acid, a compound rich in antioxidant properties renowned for its positive effects on the glucose levels of individuals with metabolic syndrome. When it comes to the nervous system, alpha-lipoic acid has demonstrated benefits for those with multiple sclerosis, a chronic condition leading to damage in the protective covering of nerves. Furthermore, it works to alleviate pain, numbness, and tingling sensations associated with diabetic neuropathy. To increase your intake of alpha-lipoic acid, consider incorporating more spinach, broccoli, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets into your diet, among other options. Hopefully, you're now closer to safeguarding your nerves and enhancing your nervous system's well-being. If you found this video helpful, kindly show your support by giving it a like. Feel free to share this video with others and let them know about this valuable information. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until next time, stay healthy.